Areas of triangle. Before going into the examination, let's get our basics correct so that we don't forget the methods, formulae, or the ways to get the area of a triangle. Today we'll discuss the different ways, methods, and formula to find out the area of a triangle. See, we've got a triangle here whose base is given and height is given. So how to find out the area of the triangle? Here we've got a scalene triangle. Only the sides are given. Check how to find the area of the triangle. And here two sides and the angle between them is given. How to find the area of the triangle, right? So we'll discuss all this. Stay with me and enjoy yourself. You are with Have Fun and Learn, and I'm JP Datta, your host. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, and share. That will definitely inspire me. So let us get on. What we have here is a scalene triangle, of course, and the height or the altitude is known, right? Now, please note that there is a definite way of naming triangles and the sides, right? What is it? Suppose I name this angle A, this side will be named small a, right? If we call this side the angle B, this side will be called small b. And if you call this angle C, this side will be called small c. This is the rule that you must get into yourself as a rule, correct? Now see, we all know that the area of a triangle, the area of triangle ABC will be given by half times base times height. This H is called the height, or sometimes it is called the altitude. Of the triangle, correct? And this, what do you call this, is the base. So here A is equal to base of the triangle, right? Now this is the formula that governs the area of the triangle. So once we know the value of this side and we know the height, we can find out the area of the triangle. That is, area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base times height, or sometimes we call it altitude. Now you tell me, how do you arrive at this formula, right? What we'll do, we'll create a parallelogram with these two sides. Let's see how this is how it looks like when you construct a parallelogram with sides AB and BC as the sides of the parallelogram, other two sides, right? Now see, we know that area of a parallelogram is given by base times height, right? So this we took as the base and this was the height. So area of the parallelogram will be base times h, right? Area of A, B, C, D, correct? Now see, the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, right? So this area and this area are equal. So we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to half area of ABCD, so that we get half into B times H. See, you get the same result. This is how you arrive at that formula. A is area of the triangle is equal to half times base times height, right? This was number one. Rule number one, formula number one, method number one. We come to rule or formula or method number two. That is, we got a scalene triangle here, A, B, C. Now we follow the same rule of marking the length of the sides. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is rule or method or formula number two. This is known as, this formula is known as Heron's formula. And mind you, this is a very useful tool in calculating the area of a triangle only when the sides, the length of the sides are given. Now the proof of this formula is beyond our scope, otherwise I would have given it. But then here in this formula we get a new quantity called semi-perimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to A plus B plus C. Got it? Simple, sum of the sides. Now semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is denoted by small s and it is given by half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. Correct? So first part done. And the formula, area of this triangle, area of triangle ABC will be given by root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B and C are the three sides of the triangle. Correct? So it is understood. So the sides are given, except that altitude nothing is given. So how to find that area of the triangle? We will take recourse to Heron's formula, which is given by this. Right? Understood? So we move on to the third method. Here we've got again a scalene triangle, but the values given are different. Say this is A, B and C. So the rule we follow, this side is A, this side is C and this side is B. Now the angle is given. We are referring to angle B. Correct? So what we have got is the value of angle is given, that is equal to B. right? Now see, we know that area of a triangle is given by half times base times height, right? Now in this case, base is equal to A, right? Angle given angle is equal to B. So we got to get the height. This we need to find out, right? What we'll do, we'll drop a perpendicular from here, like this, right? And we call that H. And we find the value of H. Now, if we consider angle B, what trigonometric ratio connects opposite or perpendicular with the hypotenuse? That is sine, right? So sine B is equal to H pi C, correct? Therefore, C sine B is equal to H. So we got the value of H here, right? So we'll replace. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base is A here, base is A, times H is C sine B, correct? And if you write in simple terms, it is half AC times sine B. See, AC, A and C are the sides which produces the angle B. So it is the included angle between the sides A and B. Here is an equilateral triangle. Correct? Now we want to get a simplified formula for equilateral triangle. You can get it in two ways, right? So if the sides are as named, C, correct? Right? Now what we'll do, from Heron's formula, we know area of a triangle is given by S root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C, D are sides. Here you see, since an equilateral triangle, we got A equal to B equal to C, right? Now we replace it here. What you get, see? So semi-perimeter S is A plus A divided by 2, 3A by 2, correct? Now we'll replace there. So you get root over of 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Okay. So what you get here is root over of 3A by 2, and this gives you A by 2 times A by 2 times A by 2, correct? So since we are doing a square root, these two will come as A by 2. So we get A by 2 root over of 3a by 2, and this is remaining. This was not taken out. These two are taken out into a by 2. Correct? So this gives you a by 2 root over 3a square by 4. So a by 4 will come out. So a by 2 times a by 2 root over 3. So ultimately you get a square by 4 root 3. So area of an equilateral triangle is equal to a square by 3, 4 root 3, or you can write it as root 3 a square by 4. Right? So hope you enjoyed the class, and we'll say goodbye now until next class. We'll meet again in the next class. And yes, a reminder again, please subscribe, comment and share. If you like it, please give a thumbs up.